In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not saving my work. So if your designs keep saying saving forever or changes get lost, follow along and we will sort it out together. First, check your internet connection. Canva saves everything to your account online, not just on your device. If your connection drops even for a moment, Canva may stop saving in the background. Look at the top of your screen and see if other browser tabs are loading normally. If web pages are taking a long time or not loading at all, that usually means your connection is weak or unstable. On many devices, you will see a small warning icon near your Wi-Fi or network indicator when the signal is poor. A beginner mistake is to keep editing for a long time while the connection is unreliable. Changes might look fine on screen but never reach your Canva account. Once you have confirmed your internet is working properly, wait for syncing. In the Canva editor, look near the top edge of the screen, usually near the center or toward the right side. You should see a short status message that tells you what Canva is doing with your design. When Canva is still working on your latest changes, it will usually show the word saving with 3 dots or a small moving indicator. That tells you it is trying to send your edits to the server. If your connection just came back after a drop, this message may sit there for a while as Canva catches up with everything you changed. Advanced users know that Canva sometimes needs a few extra seconds after big edits like replacing many images or pages, even on a strong connection. After that, keep an eye out for the All Changes Saved message at the top of the editor. This short line is Canva confirming that every change you have made so far is stored in your online design. It usually appears for a moment after the saving text disappears, then may fade away or switch back to the design title. If you only ever see saving and never see all changes saved, it almost always means the internet connection is still unstable. Another common beginner mistake is to keep clicking around thinking that will speed things up. It does not. The best approach is to pause editing for a moment and let Canva finish sending your current changes. With that ready, avoid closing the tab until it finishes. When the top bar still shows saving, closing the browser tab or the entire browser can interrupt the process. In that case, some of your last changes might not appear next time you open the design. Wait until you briefly see all changes saved before you close the tab or move to another design. If you need to leave urgently, give Canva at least a few seconds after your last edit so it has a chance to sync. When you reopen the design later, you should see the latest version exactly as you left it. You have now checked your connection, watched the saving status, and learned to wait for all changes saved before closing the tab. If this helped you keep your Canva work from disappearing, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more Canva tips like this.